Hi friends, so welcome to next session. I'm going to teach you another method to execute C++ programming. For that we have to download the software called Turbo C++. You can just search the Google and you will get the link. The download link will be available in the video description. You can use and directly download from that. So you can see that this is the Turbo C++ software and you have the option here called download Turbo C++. So just click on the link. Automatically take to downloading site and just wait for a few seconds. You can see that it's downloaded started. It's just a 7 MB file. So just hold on for a while. So you can see here the download is completed. We'll open the folder. This is the zip file. So you can just right click. You can click open with, or you can give extract all. So extract it. So you can see that is got extracted. Open this file and you can see there is a setup file. This is the Windows installer. You have to double click. So once you open, you can see here it's saying that just welcome to the installation wizard for Turbo C++ 3.2, and just click on next, accept the term and condition, click on next, and just information and click on install. It will ask to pop up to allow the permission. Just give the permission yes, and you can see that it's installed. So you can launch this program. Yes. So every time whenever you open Turbo C++, you will be getting the screen like this. So this is the first time. Even next time if you want, just go to the start window and search Turbo C++. You can see that this is the option. So the same steps you are going to follow. So you have to click on start Turbo C++. So you can see here automatically pop up a screen with the blue screen by default. So now the same procedure we have to follow. The first step, you have to go to the file menu. You can press Alt F, click on new, type the name of like you have to save the program. So whenever first you create, you can see there the file name is noname00.cpp. So first step, we'll save the file. So go to the same Alt F, you'll get the option called save, F2. I'll give the name as, you can remove directly this and you can just type it. So I'll give any name, hello.cpp. But remember guys, whenever you are going to write the C++ program, you have to mention cpp.cpp. Then only it will execute. So better have the practice of the extension to be used. Click enter. Okay. To full screen you have to press F5. Now no need to use the mouse or mouse to go to the file menu or anything. Just use the keyboard. Now I'll write the program. So we'll write the header file first. Has to include IO stream, then namespace standard. The similar way, now we have to start with the main method, int main, because if return, we are using return type. Now we want to print a statement, that for that we are using cout and insertion operator. Use the double quotes. I'm giving hello world and close the inverted comma, give the semicolon to terminate the line, close the curly brace. That's all. And remember, because we are using here int, so we have to use return 0. Now I have to save, press F2 to save. Then now we have to compile. You can see on the top you have the compile option, so you can press Alt F, you can move the right arrow key, go to the compile. Even you have shortcut Alt F9, I'll click enter or Alt F9. So it's showing the error is there, so why unable to open include file IO stream. Okay, so where you can see there, I have used your iostream.h, then we don't have any error. So control F9, you can see that there is no error. So there is a syntax error for using namespace standard. I will remove this line. You can see there is no error. Now press control F9 to run. Yes, you can see that the program has executed, but we did not see the output. What is the output of this? Because the execution is happened in fraction of seconds, so our eye does not capture the black string, right? So for this, what we have to do, we have to add another header file, that is Conio. So if you want to see that output without using another header file, so just press Alt F5, you can see that output is here. So the output is here. So just click enter. See that Alt F9. Again, it's coming here because of header file. Because this software use H header file extension. Remove F2, save the file. Alt F9, success. Control F9. So now you can see here again Alt F5, the output it. So you can see that the previous output is also exist here because we have run first time, again we have run second time. So the advantage of having a header file, that is Conio, that is console input output header file, and in this especially we'll be using clear screen. So the benefit of that, whenever, sorry, it's a CLR. Okay, so CLR is here. Its main thing is clear the screen. So anyone, if you have whoever you executed the program, and at the same time when you want to see the output, the same output will be there on the screen. So it will be clear and it will give the fresh output. And one more thing, to stop the screen, because we want to see the output at a time, then we need to add here getch, read the character at execution time until you are not going to press any key. So this is the advantage of having getch. Now let's compile once again. Yes, then again control F9. So you can see that output has come. So no fraction of, within the fraction of second, the black, this window, output window, we are able to see that. But if you not use the getch, that is added in your header file conio.h, will be not able to stop this screen. So that is the beauty of adding the console header file. So this way you can execute your C++ based programming language. And that's all. If you like the video, then give a like, and if you have any question, you can put in comment. And please watch, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.